A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Chapter 8 Profit, Loss and Discount, including overhead expense and tax. Chapter 8 Profit, Loss and Discount. Already you learned this lesson in 5th, 6th and 5th standard and 6th standard. Okay. So we are going to learn the continuation of the chapter. Okay, some other terms in this chapter. Okay, before that, take a fresh page and put today's date and write heading, chapter name, etc. Do you know what is profit? What is profit? Anybody know? Do you remember that profit? Profit. Yes, profit means if the selling price is greater than cost price, then it is called a profit. Selling price is greater than cost price, then it is called a profit. What do you mean selling price? Selling price SP. Selling price SP means the price at which an article sold. Selling price SP means the price at which an article is sold. Okay. The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Selling price. Selling price is the price at which an article is sold. Okay. SP. Then what do you mean by CP? CP means cost price. Cost price. Okay, CP means cost price. Cost price means the price at which an article is purchased. The price at which an article is purchased. Okay, or an article is brought. Okay, that is CP. In Malayalam it is വിറ്റ വില and വാങ്ങിയ വില. CP means നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങണ വില. CP means the cost at which an article is purchased means നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങണ വില. Then SP means selling price. വിറ്റ വില. വിറ്റ വില. വിൽക്കണ വില. Okay, that is CP and SP. SP means the price at which an article is sold. CP means the price at which an article is to be purchased or brought. Okay, clear? Now profit means, what do you mean by profit? Profit means when the selling price SP, when the selling price SP of a article is more than its cost price, more than its cost price, CP, then the article is said to be sold at a profit or gain. Another form is gain. Okay, and the selling price SP of an article is more than its cost price, CP, the article is said to be sold at a profit or gain. Then how to find profit? Profit means SP is greater than CP. Profit means what? SP is, when profit means SP is greater than CP. Okay, SP, selling price is greater, then only we can make a profit, we can get a profit. SP greater than CP. Just subtract CP from SP. Profit. Now what is loss? Loss means when selling price is less than cost price. When the selling price is less than cost price, then it is called a loss. When the selling price SP of an article is less than its cost price, CP, then the article is said to be at a loss. At a loss. Loss means SP is less than CP. SP less than CP, then it is loss. Okay, SP is less than CP. Loss means SP is less than CP. Profit means SP is always greater than CP. Then how to find loss? CP minus SP. You just subtract both. CP minus SP. Okay. Then profit is equal to, we know that the formula for profit SP minus CP, which implies SP is equal to, suppose profit and CP is given. How to find SP? Profit and cost price is given. How to find selling price? SP is equal to CP plus profit. You just add it. Okay, because SP means it's greater, you know. SP means greater, then only profit will get. In the case of profit, SP is greater than CP. So this is greater, you know. So you should add it. Profit and CP. You add profit and CP. Okay. Then how to find CP? Always CP is less in the case of profit. In the case of profit, SP greater and CP less, you know. So to get a less quantity, we will subtract SP minus profit. SP minus profit. Okay. Then same way, in the case of loss, how to find SP and CP? In the case of loss, loss is equal to CP minus SP. We know that loss is equal to CP minus SP. That means CP is greater, you know. CP minus SP. In the case of loss, CP greater and SP small. Okay, CP greater and SP small. So how to find SP? How to find SP? SP is small, you know. So subtract CP minus loss. CP minus loss. Then how to find CP? CP is greater in the case of loss, you know. So SP plus loss. Okay, SP plus loss. Clear? Once again, see, SP means selling price, the price at which an article is to be sold. SP means a price at which an article is to be sold. SP. The price at which an article is sold. SP. Then CP means the cost price, the price at which an article is to be purchased. Then profit means when a selling price of an article is more than its cost price, then it is called a profit. Okay, selling price is more than cost price. SP greater than CP. Then profit. See, if SP greater than CP, then profit. SP greater than CP, then profit. Selling price is greater than cost price, then we will get a profit. How to find profit? SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Then profit and SP is given, then how to find CP? Or otherwise CP and profit is given. How to find SP? SP is equal to SP. In the case of profit, SP is greater, you know. So you add CP and profit. Add CP and profit. CP plus profit. In the case of profit CP, we know that CP is less than SP. CP less SP greater. So how to find CP? You subtract SP and profit. Subtract SP and profit. Same way, how to find loss? Loss, in the case of loss, CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. Okay, loss is equal to CP minus SP. So how to find SP? SP, in the case of loss, SP is less, you know. That's why we got a loss. So CP minus loss. How to find CP? SP plus loss. See, loss means nashtam. Loss means nashtam. Profit means labham. Okay. Now how to find profit percentage? Profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit amount by CP into 100. You just find the profit amount by CP into 100. Okay, and loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. Always write CP in denominator. CP in denominator. Because depending upon CP, we are calculating profit and loss. Depending upon CP, we are calculating profit and loss. So CP should be written here, denominator. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Last lesson, previous lesson, you already learned how to find a percentage. How to find percentage? A required number by its original number into 100. A given number by its original number into 100. That is percentage. So profit percentage is profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Okay. Now a new term is going to learn in this lesson, that is overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. What do you mean by overhead expenses? See, overhead expense means it's nothing. When an article is purchased at one place and we are taken it to another place, then we are giving some additional money, for transportation, labor, packing, etc. The additional money we are giving is called overhead. Okay, the additional money we are giving is called overhead. Okay, suppose instead of the selling cost price, instead of the cost price, we are giving some extra money to purchase the product, uh, including transportation, labor, packing, is called overhead expenses. Okay, see, overhead expenses means when an article is purchased at one place to and is taken to some other place, and additional money for transportation, labor, packing, etc. is to be spent. This additional money is called overheads or overhead expenses. Okay, overhead expense means the additional money we are giving for transportation, labor, packing, etc. is called overheads. Okay, overheads. For repair also we are giving overhead. Suppose when a object is moved from one place to another place, some we need some repair. Mm. If it is new one also, we need repair. So this is also including in overhead expense. Okay, when an article is purchased at one place and is taken to another place, we need transportation, labor charge, and packing charge, etc. This extra money we are paying is called overheads or overhead expense. Okay. Actually, the article has a marked price in it. But if we are taking that product to another place, we need to pay transportation charge, labor charge, and packing charge. These extra additional charges are called overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. Okay, got it? What do you mean by overhead expense? Overhead expense is nothing. It is the additional charge we are giving for packing, transportation, etc. Okay, the additional money for transportation, packing, and labor, etc. The additional money for transportation, labor, packing, etc. Okay, now we are going to discuss exercise questions. Exercise 8A, second question. A fruit seller buys oranges at 4 rupees 3 and sells them at 3 rupees. Find the profit percentage. They are given it is profit, but they don't know one quantity's price. 4 oranges 4 rupees 3. Buys 4 oranges for 3 rupees and he sold this 3 oranges for rupees 4. 4 oranges he bought and now he sold 3 oranges. Okay. 4 oranges he bought and sold 3 oranges only. So how to calculate profit and loss? 4 oranges actually he bought and 3 he sold. Then how to find profit or loss? And the amount is 3 rupees, here 4 rupees, here it is 4 rupees, here it is 3 rupees. Then how to find, is it profit or loss? One is 4 rupees, other is 3 rupees, but the number of items should not be same. The number of items are different. He bought 4 oranges and sold 3 oranges. He bought 4 oranges for 3 by 4. 3 rupees, and sold 3 oranges for rupees 4. Then how to find? In this case, we want to find 1 orange's cost. First, we want to find 1 orange's cost. Okay, first CP of 4 oranges equal to rupees 3. Now CP of 1 orange. How to find CP of 1 orange? 3 divided by 4. Okay, 3 divided by 4 means 0.75 paisa, 0.75 paisa. Then SP of 3 oranges equal to rupees 4. Selling price of 3 oranges 4. Now SP of 1 orange equal to rupees 4 by 3. We know that which is greater, 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. 3 by 4 means it is 0.75 paisa rupees, 0.75 rupees. 4 by 3 means it is mixed fraction, 1 by 3. So more than 1. So which is greater? Second, SP is greater. We know that SP is greater than CP, then profit. If SP is greater than profit, then SP greater than CP, then profit, When SP is greater than CP, then there is a profit. How to find profit percentage? Profit by CP into 100. Now we can find profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Okay, SP is greater, so SP minus CP. Okay, which is equal to, what is SP? 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Only one quantity we want to find. CP of 1 orange, SP of 1 orange is enough. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Now taking the LCM. 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3. Cross multiply. 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3 by 4 into 3. Okay, equal to 16 minus 9 by 12 equal to 7 by 12. Okay, 7 by 12. So SP is equal to 7 by 12. Now we want to find profit, not SP. Profit equal to 7 by 12. Profit equal to 7 by 12. Now we find profit percentage. Profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage? What is the formula? Profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. So profit is 7 by 12, by what is CP? What is CP? CP of one item you can take, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 100. Okay, into 100. See, division, and again here division, so we can take a multiplication with reciprocal. 7 by 12 into, instead of 3 by 4, reciprocal of 3 by 4, 4 by 3 into 100. And this 4 and this 12 get cancelled. Okay, so the remaining answer is 7 by 3 into 100. Okay, 7 by 3 into 100. That is 7 into 100, 700 by 3. 700 by 3. See, 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 3, 9. 7 by 9 into 100. 7 by 9 into 100. So 7 into 100, 700. 700 by 9 is 7 nines are 63. 7 is the remainder, then bring down the 0. 7 nines are 63. Then after subtracting, the remainder is 7. So the answer is 77, 7 by 9 percentage. 77, 7 by 9 percentage. See, once again, we want to find CP of 4 oranges are given. We want to find CP of 1 orange. CP of 1 oranges is equal to rupees 3 by 4 by division. Now SP of 3 oranges is given 4. Then SP of 1 orange we want to find. How to find 1 orange? 4 by 3. Here we know that 3 by 4, 4 by 3 means 1 by 3, you know. Normally second one is greater, SP is greater than CP, then it is profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4 is 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Profit is 7 by 12. Now we want to find profit percentage. What's the formula for profit percentage? Profit by CP into 100. 7 by 12 by 3 by 4 into 100. Then taking the reciprocal. 7 by 12 into 4 by 3. Here 7 by 4 by 3 by 4, you know. So here 7 by 12 into 4 by 3 into 100. After cancellation, 7 by 9 into 100. 7 by 9, when you are dividing 700 by 9, it is 77, 7 by 9. So the percentage, profit percentage is 77, 7 by 9. Okay. 77, 7 by 9. See, next third question. A man buys certain number of articles at 15 for rupees 112.50 and sells at them at 12 for rupees 108. Find his gain percentage. The number of articles sold to make a profit of rupees 75. So first we want to find gain percentage. Then one more question is there. Number of articles sold to make a profit of 750. To get 750 rupees profit, how many items he want to sell? To get a profit 75 rupees, how many items he want to sell? Okay, so first we want to find one item's profit. Okay, see here, CP of 15 items, selling cost price of 15 item is rupees 112.50. Then CP of one item. How to find CP of one item? 112.50 by 15. After cancellation, we will get 7.5. 7.5. 5 stable. 3 5s are 15. Here 2 5s are 10. Again 12 by 2 5s are. Then 25 5 5s are. Okay. Again by 3. So 7.5 rupees. Then selling price of 12 item rupees 108. Then selling price of one item is equal to 108 by 12. It is 9. So selling price of 9, cost price 7.5. SP is greater than CP. So we know that it is gain or profit. SP greater than CP. So profit or gain. Now how to find gain? SP minus CP. 9 minus 7.5 is 1.5. Okay. 1.5 rupees. Now, you want to find gain percentage. How to find gain percentage? Gain by CP into 100. Gain means profit. Okay. Profit by CP into 100. That is 1.5 by 7.5 into 100. Okay. Two methods are there. You can eliminate this decimal by multiplication. That is 15 into 10. 1.5 into 10, 15. So denominator also you do 7.5 into 10. That is 75 into 100. Okay, which is equal to 1 into 15, 15. 5 into 50. So 100 by 5 is 20. 20 percentage. Profit is equal to 20 percentage. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 20 5s are 100. Okay, 1 into 15, 15, 5 into 15, 75. Okay, so 20 percentage. Clear? First CP of 15 item. 112.50. Then CP of one item 112.50 by 15 equal to 7.5. Then SP of 12 item 108. SP of one item is 9. So it is profit equal to 9 minus 7.5 is 1.5. Then profit percentage is gain by CP into 100 or profit by CP into 100. Here profit is 1.5. CP of one item you can take. One item is 7.5 into 100 is 20%. Now we want to find a number of articles sold to make a profit 75. Okay. SP of one article 1.5, So how to find how many articles sold to get a profit 75? 75 by 1.5. See next, profit of one item is rupees 1.5. Profit of one item. So number of articles sold to get a profit 75. For one item the profit is 1.5 rupees. Now we want to find how many items should be sold to get a profit 75 rupees 75. For that you want to divide 75 by 1.5. 75 by 1.5. 75 by 1.5. Here a decimal, so eliminate the decimal by multiplying this into 10. One decimal place, so into 100. If we are multiplying denominator into 10, numerator also multiplied by 10. Okay, numerator, both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 10, because here in denominator only decimal. So to eliminate this decimal you want to multiply this into 10. So numerator also multiplied by 10. 75 into 10, 750. 1.5 into 10, 15. What is 750 by 15? 1 into 15, 15. 5 into 15, 75. So answer 50 items. Okay, we want to sell 50 items. Okay. So 50 items we want to sell. Now mark the homework. Homework exercise 8A first question. Only first question is your homework. Okay. First question is homework. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.